Just want to share with you my new glass tumbler. I'm absolutely in love with it. It's just arrived. I'm really impressed. One, it was packaged unbelievably well. I was concerned obviously about it being glass, it's going to break, but it's arrived perfectly. It is a really nice glass. I was also concerned it's going to be super thick glass, and I find those just too heavy to use. But this is a nice, comfortable thickness. If you wanted to use it, just sip in from it, you certainly could. If you want to have a big drink in there, you could certainly sip from the rim. The handle is a nice thickness as well. It's got also some ridges on there to help you grip. And I've got quite big hands for a woman, and that fits absolutely fantastic on me. It's going to be big, man hand friendly as well, I think. And it's not heavy. You also get two options, which I wasn't expecting. I didn't notice it. You get a bamboo lid there, which is going to be perfect for your coffees. I can pick it up like that. It's definitely a very good seal. It does come with two straws, and this is a thicker one, which fits that. This is going to be really good for boba or sort of slushies because the straw is a really good thickness, and it fits into a really nice height as well. So that's really good. The other option you got there is more of a travel mug top with the opener there and a thinner straw, much better for sipping things like coffee. And for those straws, you do get a cleaner as well, so you can keep it all nice and clean. And also, I wasn't expecting a little coaster. This is made like of cork. I think that's really sweet. It's a nice little bonus. And again, that feels really ergonomic, not too heavy. I really like that. And I believe if you take the straw out like this, if you want to use it as a sipper as well, so you're covered from all bases. I purposely bought this one. One, I like using glassware. I think it just looks a little bit more elevated, a little bit more bougie. I thought it was really pretty. I wanted to see what I was drinking as well. I decided against plastic just for my own personal reasons. But yeah, I think it's a really nice shape, good capacity, absolutely loads of iced coffee this summer. I couldn't ask for anything more from a coffee or a travel mug.